What's up, guys? It's your boy, the Badwolf. Now, this particular video is going to be about stamps, stampers, stamping. Why, why you need them? Okay, so for instance, this particular one right here has, well, if you're really an American national or non-citizen national, you're going to know that in dealing with these people, instead of handwriting every single thing that you're going to come up against, you need to get you some stampers. Now, these only cost about $7 from off of Amazon, and then they usually give you 3 or 4 lines. So mine, this first one here, it literally says private nation of Lovitica, my address, city and state spelled out, and republic behind state, and then United States of America. This is going to save me so much time when I need to bam, done. Okay. Or let's say they send me some bogus thing that they want me to contract for. Well, that's what this one's for. You probably can't see it because of the lights. Nope. Oh, wait, there you go, a little bit. Focus, focus. All right, sorry about that. It's about the best I can do. Anyway, so it says United States of America Republic, UCC 1-308, without prejudice, refused, no contract, void, returned, U.S. national, foreign to the U.S. All right, so bang, stamp it. The other one, very similar. No contract, refused, foreign national, cease and desist, void. State citizen, USA. Stamp it. Okay. This one here is my nation's stamp. Okay. So when some of the people out there are forming their nations and they ask me, hey, I formed my own nation, or else they go through me and form their nation. And it's not my nation. I'm not granting you the ability to run a nation. I don't own your nation. All we do is provide you with the paperwork on how you can do it, how you need to get it jurated. And then when we make an agreement between your nation and my nation and all the nations that have come before you through the Badwolf, that we are all a part of our own nation together. Nobody owns it. I don't own it. I control it. None of the paperwork says anything like that. But so for me, I might be able to see a little bit of it there. Okay, so this is a declaration for Lord James C. Lovett, Celestial Class, Nation of Lovitica, and a spot for my date on there. And this is what gives me my power on my document. Because remember, your documents are in fact vessels. Okay, so I'm claiming this paperwork to be in my jurisdiction. It is mine, is my property, and I am sending that ship out. Now, here's the one thing you should know is that some heads of state, departments, or whatever else, may not like you doing that, because then that means that the very paper that they're holding in their hands is not in their jurisdiction. Most don't care, but some of them might. I've only had one get returned because they were like, we cannot have foreign material in our, whatever. But the other 99% of them all, were, good to go. Weren't returned as usual. So when doing things, dealing with them, you want to let it be known that your seal is letting you know that this is your jurisdiction. You're not in their jurisdiction when you've done all these things properly. So each time you go, I guess, and do commerce, you remember you are a vessel, your paper's your vessel, and so these things need to be claimed. So yeah, it can be a little tedious at times having to always claim this, claim that. But if you're not claiming yourself, then they probably will try to claim you by assumption. So get you a stamper for your paperwork, get you a stamper to refuse their paperwork, get you a stamper to also to claim your cease and desist, and also one for your address with your nation name on there, which jurisdiction it is. Make it yours. You can handwrite it. Yeah, it gets tiring after a while. So what is this? $28 for 4, something like that, roughly. Definitely worth the time and everything. And what's also awesome is that you can get it with the red ink. All right. And we all know that that stands for the blood of the living man, and that you're on the land, and that you come from the land, and so you are the living being. Okay. Some of them you can even get. I think the next one I'm going to get is actually going to be my signature with all of the proper salutations on it in red. And I think you can actually, some of them you can actually send in a image of your signature, and they can copy that, or your autograph, excuse me, you're right. And then that way it is what it is. So you can sign everything with their stamp, bang, bang. And then they know instantly what jurisdiction you are and that they don't have jurisdiction over you. So, as Jean-Luc Picard says in Star Trek, make it so, number one. All right. So that's it, guys. Get your stampers. You know, you can multitask on them. Like, some of these have everything I need on it. Like I said, United States, state citizen, UCC 1-308, no contract, refused, no jurisdiction, cease and desist, foreign national. You can leave a space on there if you want to put a date on there, or a little box, you know, or number one, like this is your first notification of your cease and desist. Whatever you want to make it yours. Otherwise, you're basically just still yet using your legal name, especially versus your given name. Okay, we already talked about that. If you're still using that name in the exact same ways, they're going to continue to assume that you are that being. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna get out of here. Shut off. Down. Sophie. Whatever. Guess I gotta do it the old-fashioned way and actually touch the button. So that's it, guys. I will talk to you later. Don't forget to hit that bell, like, subscribe. And the more thumbs up we get, the more I appreciate it, the more that they will share these videos with people like you. So do your part. Or if you want to help financially, you can always join the Wolf Pack by going to the main YouTube page and clicking the join. And whichever level you select, you get all of the information in the private area, which is not for the public domain. And so no matter what level you're on, you get everything. Okay. So I do appreciate those people who actually selected, I think, like the $18 or the $24 a month package. Thank you, guys. I appreciate all of you, but especially you guys, because you have made the decision that you want to help support a little bit more. So thank you. It does mean a lot to me. I do look at those names and numbers and see who's, you know, joined, rejoined, left, you know, whatever else, because this is basically an operation here. And so it means a lot. So thank you. For any additional information, check out either blacksite32.com, Badwolf Media Channel, which is also on YouTube. Check out all the things that should be propagating right now. The playlist have a lot of fire information and videos. And if you go to the main YouTube now, you can go and check out the playlist, which has all of the videos in one file. It's called the full file list. Okay? So that's it. Get out of here and enjoy the weekend, or whenever you're watching this. Signing off, Bad Wolf, your favorite non-belligerent, non-combatant, educational guy, the Wolf. Okay, bye. Oh, that's right. I got to do it by hand. Technology.